Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom, starting my very first What is for Dinner video in my new house. We are actually having our first dinner in the new house tonight, and I made chili in the crock pot. I have a bunch left over, so we'll have some for lunch tomorrow. I just did a little bit of ditalini with a little melted butter, some chili on top, and then some Cabot extra sharp cheddar cheese. So this is mine, this is my husband's, and then I also made 2 small little side salads with some spring mix, tomatoes, some peppers, some cucumbers, and a little sunflower seeds for crunch. And we are going to try out this Marzetti ranch dressing tonight. So this is dinner tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, we're having our first breakfast for dinner in our new house. I made some Vermont maple sausage, some red potatoes that I just sliced thin and fried up with a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. These are just the 2 inside pieces, and then all the good stuff is in here. It's all yolky, and then you cut around and dip it. My dad calls it a hole in the bread. Some people call it a bird's nest, but it's just 2 pieces of bread with an egg yolky in the middle. But anyways, this is dinner tonight. We're going to have some coffee and dig in. We will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, tonight for dinner I made some roasted sweet Italian sausage, some tricolor peppers. I have orange, yellow, and red peppers with some rosemary, garlic, salt, pepper, and some fresh rosemary. And then we had some leftover Kraft mac and cheese, which Grady had earlier. So this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made a roast pork loin. Looks really, really good. And then I made some of the rice-a-roni. I think it's like the fried rice flavor, and it's really tasty. And then I also made some roasted zucchini spears. I just put them in a little bit of olive oil, and I put a little bit of dry ranch seasoning packet, and then just a little black pepper. And I made just the tiniest bit of like a really thick pork gravy from the drippings from the roast. Looks really good. This is my plate. This is Matt's. He does not like gravy. He's just not a fan of gravy in general. And we're gonna dig in. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we're having the Innovations. This is a sticky rice and some marinated beef that I purchased cut up like this, like stir-fry beef. And I marinated it in soy sauce, ginger, brown sugar, hot pepper flakes, and garlic. Let it marinate all day. And then I fried it up on a really high heat so it's nice and pink inside. And then I also added some sauteed up onion and zucchini. Again, over the sticky rice, and this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, I made some of the CPAC brand breaded clams. I actually bake them. A lot of people fry them, but I bake them, just spray them with a little coconut oil, some tartar sauce. We have some tater tots with a little salt and pepper and ketchup, and then some mixed steamed veggies, butter, salt, pepper. And this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so tonight for dinner, I made that chicken bacon tortellini that I showed in a Hannaford haul. It is a Hannaford brand item, so can't promise that you can find it if you don't have a Hannaford, but anyways, the tortellini has chicken and bacon in it, and I actually added some Rana brand pesto sauce, basil pesto, and then just a little parm cheese on top. We're also having just some simple side salads, so I put spring mix, some red pepper, some tomato, black olives, and then some of the wonton like salad toppers. And we're actually going to have some Olive Garden signature Italian dressing on it. Very simple, light dinner tonight. And this is what we're having. I hope you guys enjoyed this first week in my new home of our What's for Dinner. I will continue to film them. Have a great day, guys. And I will see you very soon in my next video.